my dear students. I am Friha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is compare the mass of different objects. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use standard metric units of mass, that is kilogram and grams, and their abbreviations to measure and record mass of variety of objects. For example, we are going to do one more thing, that is recognize the units of mass, that is kilogram and grams, and we are going to do one more thing, that is the last thing, which is compare the mass of different objects. So right now, for comparing the mass of different objects, which thing is heavier? Just check it out and estimate and tell me. Okay, this is notebook given over here, a bag given over here, and a book given over here. I tell you about a thing that can help us in finding the answer. It is a scale with two pens. Okay, this one. You can just check this one out. This is there to use for checking the mass. Okay, the mass of different objects. And we use it to measure the mass of things. Okay, the balance in the pans of the scale shows that there is same mass in them. For example, if I'm going to put something over here in first pan and put the second thing which need to be measured over there in the second pan, this means that if the balance is equal, then we are going to say that this mass is whatever, they both have equal mass. Okay, so mass tell us how heavy an object is. So here are some standard metric unit of mass, which is kilogram and grams. So your school bag has books and copies. You already know that. This is your bag must have it, you know. So can you guess how heavy it is? No, you cannot guess it until and unless you must have some kind of measuring scale. Okay. Can you also guess what the mass of a big size watermelon is, or what the mass of an eraser is? Okay, you don't know that. But for that reason, you must have some kind of measuring scale. And from that measuring scale, if I'm going to measure this bag, then this bag is 3 kg. Yes, this is having 3 kg mass. Okay, so units of measuring mass are, we usually use two basic type of units of mass. These are grams and kilograms. For smaller one, gram is used to measure lighter objects. For example, mass of an eraser, mass of a pencil, or a geometry box. While kilogram is used to measure the heavy objects. For example, to measure the mass of apples, potatoes, or for example, mangoes. So these are the heavier things, you know that. So for that sake, you must whenever you went to the market to buy them, then the shopkeeper is going to give you it according to the mass, which mass in kilograms. Okay, so you need to remember that for heavier objects we are going to use kilograms, and for lighter objects we are going to use grams. Okay, and you know one more thing, that is one apple will have 1 gram kind of mass. Okay, not kilogram. Do remember that. Now right now check out this example. Here we are going to remember one thing. Note that 1 kilogram, that is kg. Small k and small g is equals to 1000 grams. That is small g. Kilogram is denoted by kg and gram is denoted by small g. Okay, so here check out the watermelon. This watermelon is 5 kg. So here you can check in this picture. This is melon. This melon, it has 1 kg mass. And this one, this is just single apple, one apple. So this apple has 200 grams mass. And this one, what is this? This is potato. This potato has how much mass? 60 grams mass. So do remember that this is just assumption, not given over here. We need to measure it through what? Through a measuring scale, or you must have seen some kind of measuring mass scale at your home. You must have seen it, or you must have seen at the shops. In the shops, they are going to use the same scale or somehow some kind of digital measuring scale. So hope this video is informative to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.